All right, so lean on your boss. Communication is the biggest thing needed in the cleaning business. Lean on your boss. This will not come off. She got a little bit of it off, but I can't get it. So, biggest thing is communication. If you don't have that, then you have false accusations, you have misunderstandings, all kinds of things. The cleaning business is tough. Let me say that. I've waitressed, done all kinds of cleaning, even in hotels, and it's a tough business. So even in the restaurant business, like when I worked at Outback, any customer not happy for any reason at all, even if it's not true, make them happy. Give them free food, whatever they want to do. So, cleaning business, same thing, really hard work. And if you miss a spot, sometimes it will come back over.